my channel. Hope you are all doing good. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cut a native male trouser. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video so that you won't miss out. And for those that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for your constant support. God bless you. For you to cut out your trouser, you have to know the tight measurement. You have to know the length of the mouth of your trouser, and also you have to know the length of your trouser. So the length of the trouser that I will be working with today is 40 inches. I will have to add 4 inches to it. So the 2 inches will be for elastic or rope. Then the other 2 inches will be for folding at the down part as well. So I will have to mark my 2 inches here. So the 44 inches is here. 44 inches. So you can see that I start here. I leave the gap of 0.5 up here. So then I will mark my 44 inches for the trouser. So 44 inches. So this is my 44 inches. So I will have to mark my 44 inches here. We'll bring up 2 inches here that we measure for the folding. So I will mark it here. That will be 2 inches for the folding. Then I'm going to make a straight line. But before then, I will come up as well and mark 2 inches here for the folding as well. I'm going to make a straight line. 2 inches for the folding. Then half an inch here for the starting point. So this is 2 inches for the folding. Then 2 inches for the other 2 inches for the folding as well. I'm going to mark it. So this is the 2 inches for the folding. We fold the fabric by 13.5. So that's the half length of the lap. So that's what I use to fold it. Next thing to do right now is to measure 13.5 inches here. Then I'm going to mark a straight line. Before then, let me do the other one so that it will be equal. 13.5 inches. 13.5 inches. Now I'm going to make a straight line. Now for us to get the crush, we have to come in by 2 inches. Yeah, I think you can see what I'm doing. Make your 2 inches line for us to be able to get our crush. So that's the 2 inches. Next step is to mark the remaining measurement. That is here. You have to mark it up. So you start from the 2 inches that you've already marked here. So we have 11.5. So I'm going to mark the 11.5. So I have 11.5 left. So I'm going to mark it up. Now, I'm going to make a straight line here. To be able to make the curve line for my crush, I have to come in by 1 inch or come in by 1.5 inch. Then from here, I'm going to use my curve ruler to connect it from the edge here, then to the 1.5 that I've marked. Then I will go down to the ankle. So the ankle is going to be 14 inches. So 14 divided by 2, that will give us 7, but I'm going to add 0.5 to it, so that will be 7.5. So yes, 7.5. I'm going to do right now, I'm going to connect the line from here. So I'm going to connect it to the mouth opening here of 7.5 inches. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it up. I can connect from up or down, whatever that suits me. For you to get a straight line, you can make your 7.5 inches up. 7.5 inches here. Then 7.5 inches here. You can make it to the middle. Now you can connect your line, bring it from down to the 7.5 inches. Then you bring this here from the edge here to connect with this. So that's it. So the front panel is ready. We are going to cut it out. I'm going to cut it out now. This is the easiest way to cut a trouser. Then I'll take it up. I have the video in my channel on how to cut the front panel of the trouser. You can as well check it. I'm going to drop the link below. So I will have to stop at the point of the crotch. Then I'm going to cut the crotch part. Let me move it to the camera so that you can see it very well. So what you are going to do is just to cut this area. Then you bring it up. So this is it. This is the front part now. You can see the front part. Now I want to slit the first panel into two. Before I slit the trouser into two, I'm going to shape the trouser. Remember, the length of the trouser is 44. So the half of it will be 22. So you are going to mark from here. So you are going to mark 22, which is the half of the trouser. So that's where we are going to mark so that we'll be able to shape the trouser. So what I will do is to mark this, the half of the trouser length. So what I'm going to do is just to mark half an inch. So I'm going to mark half an inch. It's half an inch. Then I will be able to connect it from up here. Then connect it to this way. You can use your hand. Then after doing that, you can see it's not straight. Just make a small curve to connect. Then from there you have to mark a straight line. So that is it. Now we are going to cut it out. Just follow the line that you've marked. this is it.